Girls are just dating for survival, not for love. Some girls think broke men don't deserve love, but broke girls deserve men. It's so shameful that you guys are monetizing relationship. Some girls don't just want to work at all. They are waiting for somebody's son to come and save them.
Okay.
See, guys, listen. If the
No
table is
pressure.
turned and she has the money you got,
Most
she will never
times,
date you.
all
If
these
there is
girls,
no food for a lazy man,
if you don't say yes,
then there
you
should
dey
be
date
no
girl,
food for a
you don't
lazy
say yes, the
woman.
guy dey
If you
try for
can't go to
himself.
school,
No dey
learn a
pressure
trade
am.
or
E no
start up
good.
something small for yourself
You get.
and stop putting pressure on someone's
If
son.
you ask of,
If you want
like
high
for
life, then
instance,
go and
your
work for it
girlfriend
and
asks
stop
of
depending
like
on men. The
10,000,
man is to assist you, not take
the
full
boy find her and
responsibility
give
over
you,
you.
or give you
And
like
you too, you can
8,000 or
support your man in
7,000.
one way or
The
the
guy
other.
try.
Men also need support.
You
They are
get. No
humans
dey
too,
pressure
so please
person
show them
pikin.
love and
He go
support.
thief
Good
come for
woman
you.
is rare to find, but you can
He
be
go
that
rub
good
come.
woman. And please, guys, try your
No
best
pressure
not
for
to
this
hurt a
side.
good woman if you find one.
Just like me, you
I'm
go to
called
pressure
Lena,
me, you
and
don't
I'll
lose
see you
guard, you
guys
don't
in my
fucked
next
up.
video.
I go block you, delete you, remove you from my contact.